family, Lenny Reed, Dynomite Diesel Products. We've decided to extend the nozzle sale to you. So what that means is you can go to your local drive-in service center, any of our participating dealers. They will take your injectors out of your truck. They will ship them to us. We will inspect your injectors. We will calibrate your injectors to your new nozzles for $100. $100 is an extremely good value. Normally, a Cummins pickup truck, 6 cylinders, we would charge 500 bucks. The Power Strokes and the Duramaxes with 8 cylinders, we would normally charge 600 bucks for the service. Everybody's getting a flat fee. We're trying to get this, the opportune time, to get you as reliable as possible, back on the roads and vacationing with your family. We hope this summer. Thanks. Hope to see you on the road.